Hello, welcome to Easy English. In a previous episode you can watch up here, I spoke about 10 English stereotypes, 2 of which were about our politeness and stiff upper lip, which is what I wanted to cover in this episode. The things we say to strangers can be laden with sarcasm, subtleness, and passive-aggressiveness in order to hide our true feelings. So I thought I'd make a scenario of typical things Brits say, what you might think, and then what we actually mean. Let's go. How are you? They really care about me. Hello, please don't give me your life story. I'm not too bad, thanks. So something's wrong? I'm the happiest I've ever been. I hear what you say. He considers my point of view. You're wrong, and here's why. With the greatest respect, he's listening to me. I think you're an idiot. That's not bad. That's poor. It's really good. That's a brave proposal. He thinks I have courage. Are you mad? That's quite good. Quite good. Oh, that's pretty bad. I would suggest I should consider his idea. Do it like this. Oh, and by the way, this is an unrelated point. The main reason that we're talking is this. Oh, that's interesting. He's impressed. You're clearly talking nonsense. I'll bear that in mind. They'll definitely do it. I've already forgotten. Before I move on, I recommend you quickly check out our Patreon membership, linked below. For as little as $5 a month, you could get learning exercises for this and all our previous episodes. You can also get video or audio extras and access to our exclusive chat. It was probably my fault. Why does he think it's his fault? It was your fault. You'll have to come for dinner sometime. I'll get an invitation soon. I'm not inviting you over, I'm just being polite. I sort of agree with you. We're close to agreeing. I don't agree at all. I have some small comments about your work. Damn, I made a few mistakes. Start over again. Could we consider another option? They haven't made up their mind. I don't like your idea. I might join you later, okay? Oh cool, he might turn up. There's no way I'm coming. Bye! Oh, don't worry, take your time. Relax, no rush. Oh, do hurry up. Well, I wouldn't recommend it. We should consider it. Don't do it. I felt better. He's not feeling 100%. I feel like I'm slowly dying. Oh, and when you get a minute, could you... I'll do this if I find the time. Do this immediately. Nice to meet you. See you around. Maybe we'll bump into each other. Have a nice life. Looks like you've caught the sun. He thinks I have a nice suntan. You look like a tomato. Oh, don't worry, it's honestly fine. Oh, thank God he forgives me. I will never forget this. Right. Should probably go soon. He needs to go soon. Please let me leave. Well, that's one way to look at it. He respects my opinion. That's totally the wrong way to look at it. Would anyone like a drink? He's a very thoughtful person. Can I have a drink now, please? Oh, I'm running a bit late. He's max 10 minutes away. I totally forgot. Should we go for a walk? Oh, nice bit of exercise. To the pub? Make yourself at home. Good hospitality. Sit down and await further instructions. Ah, you do it like that? I'm teaching a new technique. We could never be friends. It's a bit cold in here, isn't it? I should shut that window. I literally can't feel my fingers. What was that noise? I couldn't be more offended. Oh, please excuse the mess. What mess? I just spent the whole day cleaning for your visit. Please acknowledge it. Thanks for watching this week's episode. Let me know any more you've come across and have a look at our Patreon membership if you'd like learning exercises for this episode. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Ooh, you started whinging. Whoop, whoop. Huh?